welcome to our channel Things That Are Broken.
The channel where broken things are repaired and new ideas are created.
Yes, and today we are very excited to tell you something about a news project. It's how to build an exoskeleton by yourself. And yes, maybe you can tell me something about the background.
Yes, of course. Actually, I had the idea in end of November last year. And I was surfing the internet and in browsing different YouTubers that manufacturing their own exoskeletons. And I came upon a fellow called Crash Makerspace. There's a video here. And he had a very nice hinge design. Very simple, good to 3D print, sturdy, and with it a leg construction that was inspiring to me. I got to be a patron of it. We talked a bit, and I based new builds on this, and came quite a bit since that. What also helped a lot was that in May last year I bought a new 3D printer, which is a Bamboo X1C with higher production quality and speed than was used from my older machines. So I also was capable of printing larger amounts of TPU and some of the materials that are needed for the construction. Yeah, we also made lots of pics, and here we're gonna show you one.
Yes, thank you. That sounds all very amazing. And so people stay tuned, that we're getting wide and it's worth it.
It all started with this vision, my own DIY exoskeleton. Here you can see the first basic setup of the leg structure. Even the bearings are custom made. Here's a prototype fresh off the printer and PLA. The heart of the mechanics, my own design for the spring mount, still in the digital planning phase. And this is what the part looks like in real life, solid, functional and ready for a load. Both sides are finished. Symmetry is everything in a project like this. To make sure the mechanics aren't exposed and to give it a clean look, I designed custom covers. Here they are, installed on the system. Crucial for balance, the counterspring and its housing. This provides the necessary resistance while walking. The moment of truth, the very first stress test, pure adrenaline. Iteration is key. Here you can see the construction of the second improved mount and how everything is slowly coming together. My 3D printer was running non-stop. There's nothing more satisfying than watching this time lapse. But the maker life also means failure. First damage, second, third, and by the fourth time you almost lose your patience. Well, this project literally took blood, sweat and tears. Safety first, but accidents happen. The solution, flexibility. I switched the leg mounts to 72D TPU so they can absorb impacts much better. I also completely reworked the center armatures on both legs. And fail. No damage again. Sometimes it feels like one step forward and two steps back. But slowly, it's all fitting together. Here it's leaning stably against the chair for the first time. A look at the details on the bed, the inside, the top profile and the movable clamp design that ensures the necessary ergonomics. The outside is looking really massive now, and yeah, the screw look reminds me a bit of a hedgehog, but that's part of the aesthetic. My label, Buso Works. Buso is Japanese for armor, a fitting name for this piece, right? First fitment test on the left side, and the best part, I still fitted my gaming chair with it. Here's the first feeling of wearing it and the suspension on the support rig. And then, absolute catastrophe. I was an idiot and accidentally spilled a fragrance diffuser into my PC. Bought in the computer, stripped it all down, tried everything, what a nightmare. Despite the PC drama, I kept going. The lower body is finished and looks absolutely martial on the rig. I got some backup for the upper body. Tactical armor from AliExpress. It fits surprisingly well and I can't get this grin off my face. Here it is, the combination of DIY legs and the upper body armor. It's getting serious. To round off the look, I got some matching faux leather pants. Here they are lying down and here in action. The stealth look is real. And while you're watching this, the printer is already running for the upper arm armor. We are already there. If you enjoyed watching this DIY exoskeleton come to life, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss our next build. Got ideas for what we should tackle next? Drop them in the comments below.